Hey, it's the top of the morning, people. Top of the morning. Why I tell you, I'm out on the jetty this morning, I'm alone. Why I tell you, I tried to find some bait. I can't find any bait at all this morning. No bait at all, so I just set out a line and see a whole lot of tarpon in the water now. A whole heap of tarpon. But I get no bait at all. I must get about 2 tough in the bucket. But I look up bang or a spot to set out and I can't find none. I'm going to float out a line see if we can catch a kingfish still, you know, but can't get no bait at all. Still I try still see if we can get a bait. 1 or 2 bait to float out still, you know. Once I have a bait to float, you know me alright, you understand? So I see if we can catch 2 baits still. So stay tuned, alright? There's no bait at all running at all. No bait, no bait. I'm wondering if I could go somewhere else and see if I can catch any bait. And sometimes you have to bait them over by gypsum over by that side. In the shallows, you know. And I really and truly don't want to take a chance and go over there. And there's no bait over there. You know? I don't want to really take the chance, you know. Alright, there's another option again. I think I'm going to get my casting rod. I'm going for my casting rod in the van. And I'm going to do some casting, lower casting, and see if I can hook up a tarpon. Something, alright? So, I'm going for the rod. I'll soon come back. So I just get my casting rod out of the van. Here, my casting rod and a bottle of water. Thirsty man, thirsty in the morning here. Sun kinda hot too, you know. So yeah, let us see. Alright people, so here we are now, you know. See there? Casting rod. I just go for the casting rod, see there? I'm gonna use a lure and see if I can catch anything at all with this lure. Alright, so the casting rod, the lure. Let's make 2 casts on one. Since I can't catch the bait, so the bait them all out the way out there, so but I can't reach them. So I'm gonna change and put on another lure. This one not working, right? So I can find another color. I'm going to try this blueback one, silver blueback. I'm trying this silver blueback one. This one is Kevin on. There it is, people. No lure action, no live bait, no lure action, nothing at all. What next now? Pack up and go home? Why I tell you, when I don't have the whole day, I don't have the whole day to fish now. Thing is this, I don't have the whole day to fish now. When I don't have the whole day to fish, that's our limited amount of time. I'm like, you have to be rushing everything. You have to rush to get live bait, rush to cast lure, everything, just to get it done before the time that you're ready to leave. Right now I see two boatmen all the way out there, so, and they're catching fish, you know, because I told them together, and they were out there looking live bait, jerking up bang or spread. So I said them out there, told them together, and they're fighting a fish. I don't say the fish reel up in the air yet, so that means that maybe it's kingfish. The only thing I see right now, people, the only solution I see right now is to fix up at the boat and get it back on the waters, because that's where the kingfish is, that's where the tarpon and the jack is, outside, not inside here. So you're going to have to set up at the boat and head on out to sea. So I see them out there catching the fish there, and I'm here not catching anything. Well, nothing is wrong with the boat really, no, but you just need to get it back on the water, you know. And the engine is working, the small engine is working, and the boat is alright. That's the boat and everything, so everything is alright. Everything is alright. So just a matter of getting back out there, but I'm getting out there maybe next week. So hopefully I can catch something next week out there. Kingfish, jack, tarpon, all of them big fight, you know. I want some big fight now. I can't go offshore, so I have to stick to the harbour, the inshore harbour. Yeah. Fish on, come here, boy. Fish on, come here, see me now, yeah. Alright, what a piper. A piper. No? Check it, piper. Own fish. Come here, boy.
Whatever it is.
Nice own fish, you know. Fatty man should have got a mackerel. But anyway, yeah. So you see that was a hound fish a while ago now, so I'm going to put on another, catch a hound fish on the floater line a while ago. Yeah, but I'm going to put on another bang. I catch two bangs, so this is another bang. I use a double hook method, you know. Sit here stinger rig, but I don't use treble hook on my one. So I'm going to put this on now. No, put it on through the nose. Alright, and then I'll come all the way down and measure right down where the stinger rig would go. The stinger rig would go right here, so about here, so right here, so right here, come on, right here. Right, so that's how you put the stinger rig in. I put the stinger rig like that, but I'm going to put him up before him knock out, because you know them delicate away. So go on, yeah, go on. Gosh, I did him there already. You turn over already? No, you can't turn over. Yeah, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. Alright. See him there now. Another one out again. So I put out another bang on the stinger rig, same way. Alright, so that is it. Let him go on now, see? Float a line out with him. Really trying to find a kingfish this morning. Really trying to find a kingfish this morning, but it's only houndfish biting. So, like his own fish alone me I catch. Alright. People, you know, I'm gonna pack up and leave this place, you know, because it don't make any sense, you know. Time to leave now, so I'm just pack up and go home, alright? So here you walk now. Next time we continue this jetty fishing, alright? So can't get no bait, can't get nothing on lure, so I might as well go home. I have limited amount of time, so I might as well just go do some things on the road and get it over with, alright? So here you walk. Take it easy, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, fish on every time.